Prime Minister who has launched a fearsome attack on the AIMIM Congress and the BRS in Telangana. Addressing a rally, Prime Minister Modi claimed, and I quote, that there is a RRR tax in Hyderabad. While he didn't name any names, he said one R is in Telangana itself, referring to Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister. Another R is in New Delhi, a likely reference to Rahul Gandhi. And these two R's, according to the Prime Minister, have made Telangana an ATM from the Congress. Now, to add to that, in Hyderabad, there is also, the Prime Minister says, quote-unquote, a Razakar tax. The last R is a clear reference to the AIMIM, and the Prime Minister even mentioned its long-time MP Asaduddin Owaisi, whom he says hasn't even provided basic facilities in all Hyderabad.
तेलंगाना में जब से कांग्रेस सरकार बनी है, तब से डबल आर टैक्स की भी बहुत चर्चा है। एक आर तेलंगाना का और एक आर दिल्ली का। इन्होंने मिलकर हैदराबाद को, तेलंगाना को एटीएम बना दिया है। मैंने किसी का नाम नहीं लिया, लेकिन डबल आर टैक्स पर यहां के मुख्यमंत्री खुद सफाई दे रहे हैं। साथियों, यहां हैदराबाद में तो ट्रिपल आर टैक्स का बोझ आपको उठाना पड़ता है। यहां एक आर रजाकार का भी है। ये रजाकार टैक्स कैसे काम करता है, ये ओल्ड हैदराबाद में दिखता है। कांग्रेस बीआरएस के समर्थन वाली मजलिस के सांसद वहां लंबे अरसे से है, लेकिन वहां बेसिक सुविधाएं तक नहीं है। साथियों, हैदराबाद में हर साल बारिश में चारों तरफ पानी भर जाता है, लेकिन बीआरएस हो या कांग्रेस, किसी ने भी आपकी परेशानियों को नहीं समझा।
All right, my colleague Shomit is on the phone line with us. Shomit, triple R tax, that's the jibe coming in from the side of the Prime Minister. Obviously the most significant and the most fiery and feisty one, when the Prime Minister said that there is one R, the Razakar tax, which is imposed on the people of all Hyderabad, in a veiled reference to Asaduddin Owaisi. Clear attack coming in from the side of the Prime Minister. Any reaction from Mr. Owaisi or the AIMIM yet?
Well, Imam, you have not yet responded, but Congress has responded on this and BRS has responded on this, and BJP as well, because Prime Minister Modi has said that now Razakar tax is being collected and there is no development, is what Prime Minister has said. So the BJP leaders as well stated that not just Razakar tax, but also Rahul Gandhi tax is being collected in Telangana and in the Hyderabad city. And if we see the Hyderabad whole city, how congested it is, we can understand. And, there is no development, is what BJP leaders are saying. At the same time, BRS leaders as well said that Prime Minister is trying to instigate things in the Hyderabad city and also trying to take the votes, is what, he has said. But the BRS leaders are saying.